Today we're gonna play Don't Press the Button 4. So let's play. Okay. Go! Time to press button. Exit the maze. Where's the exit? Oh, it's all the way over there. Or you can just do this. This is really easy. Okay, come on, we gotta make it. Come on. We got 10 seconds. Yay. Yay, we made it. Okay. Okay. Watch out for the snowballs. Okay. Sounds easy enough. Oh, you died. Two people died? Ah! Enter the castle. Okay. Oh no, it's another obby. Ah! Ah! Did it? Oh no! At the beginning. But what? Oh, I win. It says winners. So I win. Fun. I'm gonna press the button. I'm gonna keep pressing it. Come on. Avoid falling off. Okay. Sounds easy enough. No. I just got launched. I did not talk for that. What the heck is dick? That. The big fat. I don't even know what that is. Is that a duck? What is that? I have no idea. ready, fight. Wait, what? Ah! Get off. Get off my land. Dude, I lost my thing. What's happening? Ha, you missed. Dude, gimme. That one's easy. Get to the other side. I'm just gonna use my jetpack to get to the other side. Just gotta wait until my fuel goes all the way up. Oh! No! I didn't make it. Did it? What's this mystery drink? Give me the mysterious drink. Boom. Nothing happened. It did nothing to me. Sorry, what? Give me coffee. Who just put in walls on the potion? Ah! Oh, it gave me super jump. Get ready for sleep. Sleep. Oh my gosh. For 10 seconds. Full HP, cool. Really cool. Click the door. How do I click it?
Knock, knock! Who's there? That door!
What the? What? Okay. That's weird. Ah! Just disappeared. Incoming lasers. Jump. Ah! That's a close one. Jump over the laser. No. Going to the other side. Get the balls to the other side. So confused what we're doing. Come on, balls, go to the other side. No, you're not using my balls. These are my balls. Put him in! Put him in! Let's get in. They're not fully in. Get him in! Get in! They're blue. Oh no, we're gonna steal their balls. Steal their balls! Steal their balls! Steal them! I'm sorry, what is happening right about now? Oh my gosh, man. What is happening? You were trying to push the ball. Toast Crunch. It's a statue of me. Aw, it changed to ugliness. Can I just do that? Or can I just... Oh. Whatever. Oh. I'm sorry, what? What happened? Ah. On a statue of me again. Yeah, reach the correct house. 35. I don't know where 35 is. I'm gonna look for it. That's 11. There's 35. Boop. Yay! Celebration time. Oh, hold on, let me do slash and dance. Yippee. Okay, I should do a different one. Because that one was pretty bad.
Pizza!
Ah! What's happening? Wait, what's happening? Is there a statue? What happened? Everything's darkness. Slide down. Slide down. Slide down here. It's a water slide! Slide down! What's happening? Ah! Ah! Oh, save me down. Oh, I thought it was left. I only have 70 Robux. I cannot buy anything. I didn't know that was gonna spawn. Okay, let's see. Game passes. The portal gun costs 499 Robux. Which one is really cheap? None of them. For me, none of them are really cheap. Okay, this 300 coins, 30 Robux. Get to the other side. This might sound easy. No! It made me go back to the beginning. What? I'm using my jetpack. That's not fair. I wanna go back to the cloudness. That's no fair. That's no fair. No. Okay, good. Aw, man. What? I touched the button. 4 gears missing. Gotta get this gear. Yay. Repair. They keep clicking on the button. I'm sorry, what's happening? Ah! There's a cube. How does that even move? What? It just died. Okay, I'm gonna get behind here. Sorry, how did I die? Come on. Oh, man. Someone has to survive. Survive, people. Oh, that guy looks cute. That looks cute. Look, grab the mushrooms. only grab 4. That's definitely not a lot. I need to press the button. Oh my gosh, dude. Come on, I need to press the button. Aliens. Wait, no, not aliens. No, they're going to invade us. Ah, how do I get out? How do I get out? Oh, you just just died. Okay. Can I go on top of the UFO? Oh, I died. Get ready to copy the penguin. How this works. Okay. Blue, red again. Oh man, didn't do it. Watch out. Oh, what happened? Oh, there was a laser. That was weird. Enter the castle? Oh, it's another enter of these castles. This might be... Is it an obby? Looks like it is. Ah! Look easy! No! Okay, whatever. Let's keep going. Die, please. I don't want to die. What's in that treasure chest, actually? Yes. I only gave us 5 coins. That sucks. Okay. Next one. Come on. Avoid being grilled. Okay. Oh. Okay, this seems easy. Ah! We're gonna be burnt. Okay, what? Dude, is this a safe spot? This part is not getting burnt. Dude, how is this spot not getting burnt? Never mind, got burnt. Got burnt. Stop incoming balls touching by touching them. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take a while. Come on! I got some Robux to give for free. Got a lot of Robux. Hello. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. He's so cute. The balls were stopped. Yay. Escape burning building. Okay, this is actually gonna be. So I'm gonna escape this time. I remember this. What? Sorry, what? Survive the falling paths. So there's gonna be paths that fall. Ah! They fell. Oh my gosh, a lot of paths are falling. I don't want to die. Ah! What the? Oh, scares me. Oh, no! I was so close to being alive. Super close. No, I'm gonna make this
I need a
teddy bear makes me feel better.
I will.
Did it give me power? Watch out. Oh, well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and make sure to like and subscribe. So, bye.